Hello folks, Hector Deville here. Today I want to record a quick video addressing one of the questions that I've gotten from from one of the guys that bought the Forex Currency Index. His name is Joe. I'm gonna bring the email down here. We're gonna read it out just in case you have exactly the same question. I wanted to address it right here, you know, just to make sure everything is clear. Alright? Okay, this is his original question. Here is my answer. This is what he was asking this morning. Hello Hector, I hope all is well with you. I have a question about the currency index indicator. I'm looking at the USD Canadian dollar, okay, the American dollar against the Canadian dollar on the 15-minute chart. Alright, it looks like we had a general move down today in price with a strong up retracement. The currency index shows USD in gray, okay, 15 minutes time frame, Forex currency index. The American dollar is indeed in gray, correct? Not particularly strong on the upside, not really. Indeed, it's actually showing minus 3 points of weakness. Now, the Canadian dollar is showing 4 green bars, much stronger than the American dollar. Well, now it's gone up to 6. Okay, it's showing a +6 by the time I'm recording this video. The Canadian dollar is actually gone up in strength. Right. So what we have is Canadian dollar strong, the American dollar weak, or well, gray color meaning not particularly strong or weak. Anyway, the Canadian dollar is showing 4 green bars, much stronger than the American dollar. Yes, indeed. Now, his question is, why is price moving down contrary to what the indicator is showing in regards to opposing strength? Why is this chart moving down? I am a little confused on how to read the indicator. I would expect that price would be moving up. Thanks for your answer in advance, Joe. Alright, and well, here's my my answer. Hello, Joe. Actually, the Forex currency index was calling the move pretty accurately, and here is the explanation. If USD is weak, right, the USD is weak, and Canadian dollar is strong, okay, the Canadian dollar is strong on that particular time frame. Let me keep on reading. Then the USD against the Canadian dollar is meant to go down, not up. It's meant to go down. How is that? Well, because the American dollar against the Canadian dollar represents the value of the American dollar in terms of the Canadian dollar, right? So, if in one hand we have a weak American dollar and a strong Canadian dollar, then the USD against the Canadian dollar, alright, should be going down again, because what this currency pair represents is the value of the American dollar in terms of the Canadian dollar. This one goes down, this one goes up, and therefore as a whole the American dollar against the Canadian dollar should be going down. Okay, that's why I was saying that the Forex currency index was actually calling the move pretty accurately. I'm sorry you missed it. You were actually looking to trade the opposite direction of what the Forex currency index was telling you, Joe. Alright? What you want to do is to pick up the strongest, the weakest, or one of the weakest, then cross them up together and trade in the direction of the divergence. Alright? In this case, you wanted to trade down. In fact, let me actually pull now the American dollar against the Canadian dollar on the 15 minutes time frame. That's the time frame Joe was looking to trade, and this is what's happened today in today's price action. Actually, today's price action started right there. Okay, down move. This is what the Forex currency index was telling you, Joe. You wanted to trade down in the direction of the Forex currency index, not the other way around. All right, the way you trade the Forex currency index is always in the direction of the divergence, not against the divergence. All right. Like I say, I'm sorry you missed this move, but don't you worry. I mean, I understand that whenever you get your hands on a new indicator, it always takes a little bit of time to get accustomed to, well, you know, to actually, you know, read how well, you know, what the indicator is actually telling you. In this case, it was telling you American dollar weakness, Canadian dollar strength, and therefore the USD against the Canadian dollar, the direction you want to, or you were meant to be trading, is to the downside. And we'll take a look. Actually, let me see. The day started right there, right there. Okay, the USD against the Canadian dollar was trading at 105.70, and right now is 104.96. So that's, well, 74 pips down move to the downside today. Okay, you wanted to trade down. Okay, all right, folks. Again, just a quick video, like I say, just to address this quick question from Joe. I hope you guys now understand how to read the Forex currency index so you don't make the same mistake. Again, as a final note, trade in the direction of the divergence. Don't trade in the opposite direction of the divergence. Okay, you don't want to do that. All right, folks, I'll be seeing you on the next video. Bye-bye.